Hello, partner! Welcome to TBO. In this video, I'm going to take you through our legacy product called Hotels and explain how you make a hotel booking. But wait, before we start, as you know, we only offer net rates to you, so you can add your markup by clicking the Edit Profile option. Basic markups product-wise can be updated here. It is very simple, few basic steps. We start off by choosing either a hotel or a destination that we want to go to. Here we have chosen Dubai as our destination. We have chosen the dates 12th of June to 14th of June. Once that's done, here we have the option to choose the number of rooms, the number of adults, and number of children. Click on the rooms to select the number of rooms to book, and we can choose up to 6 rooms in one booking. Want to book more than 6 rooms? We always recommend go through group request option provided here. Choose the correct guest nationality to avail any best nationality preference rate, which some hotels offer. Let's proceed as we have selected 1 room, which should accommodate 2 adults. The nationality is set by where the travel agency is from, and this is default. If the travel agent would be knowing that the traveler or the customer is not from this country, some other nationality, then this should be changed to the exact nationality of the client itself. In order to get a quicker search and faster results, we'll click on Search and wait until the system downloads all the options from our suppliers. On the left side, we have the map, filters like name of the hotel, location of the hotel, free cancellation, breakfast, TBO preferred. Here is the feature of searching through map. On clicking it, you have the map of the destination, which you can scroll through, choose hotel, or hover over any of these hotels that enables us to see where it is exactly on the map. By clicking on this toggle, we can look on the map only. If we want to search for a hotel that is directly contracted by TBO, then we would use the filter for TBO preferred. Here you can see TBO preferred hotels. Want to filter the option of hotel with breakfast and free cancellation, you can choose it here. If your guest is looking for something in a price range or star type, we can very easily filter it down. Also, if you want to book a brand or a property type, we can do it here in order to speed up our booking process, so we do not have to enter every hotel separately in order to get the best result we need. Entering the booking process, we click on the Open in New tab icon on the yellow tab to open the hotel and in a new tab. Because if we do not find something we like, we do not have to search again. Just easily switch the tabs and can choose another hotel. Well, in this hotel, we can see all the details about it: the available rooms, images, hotel details, the amenities, the location, and once again, all the search criteria we inserted here. We can see that we can filter down for free cancellation. We can change the meal plans we want very easily. This is what we can see here, where it is in green. It is always known for the free cancellation. If there is a certain room type we need to search for, we can type in here the type, the room name, and it will filter down using the words within the room name. So we'll choose free cancellation and room-only basis. You can check the TBO Plus reward points you can get for this booking. TBO Plus is our flagship loyalty program for our bookers. Click on Book Now to start the booking process. Here we will be prompted to enter the customer details. Enter the name and surname, the rest is not mandatory. The mandatory fields to be filled are the ones with the red star. Arrival details is not mandatory, but good to mark this. Before moving forward, here we can check the last cancellation date once again. Double-check the number of guest and room type booked, followed by the guest details, number of rooms booked, and the guest nationality. Any point of time you want to add a certain markup on this booking, here we offer a provision where you can add an extra markup as a fixed or apply as a percentage. This is TBO Plus reward points, which are offered to you. Once you book, it will be credited to your account. Click on Proceed to Booking Review to review the booking one final time. To generate the booking, click on the review and agree with the terms and condition. Here we get an option to create booking and issue voucher, or just create booking and voucher later. Create booking and voucher later puts the booking on timeline with free cancellation. As we proceed, a pop-up reminds us of all the norms and all the cancellation policies. Once reviewed, proceed by selecting the Yes option. We confirm, and the booking goes into confirmed status. Here you can see auto cancellation details. You will be notified in advance, 5 days by default. Every morning you will receive an email saying that this booking will be canceled in the next 5 days. In order to prevent this, we need to generate the voucher. Once we proceed with Generate Voucher, which would be taking us to the TBO Pay page, where we can choose what way of payment we want to use: available limit, wallet, or credit card, and other popular payment methods. Want to cancel this booking? Just click on Cancel Booking. Once again, cancellation policy pops, and here we see this booking can still be canceled free of charge until 8 June 2025. To proceed to cancel this booking, we will have to write a certain remark and then cancel it. As you can see here, the booking is canceled. The moment it is canceled, a credit note is generated, and the ledger will be set back to 0, and refund will be in process. All the hotel bookings made are found in the queues on the home page. You can search your booking by using quick filters given below. Simply type the details to retrieve bookings. And that's it! Happy selling!